Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos with ground pork. First, brown 1 pound of ground pork in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Next, drain any excess fat from the pan to ensure your nachos aren't too greasy. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of your favorite taco seasoning and a half cup of water, letting it simmer for a few minutes until the liquid reduces. This step infuses the pork with delicious flavor. Now, let's build those delicious layers. Start by arranging a single layer of your favorite tortilla chips on a large baking sheet. This ensures every chip gets some topping. Next, evenly sprinkle about half of your seasoned ground pork over the chips. Finally, generously add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and a half cup of Monterey Jack cheese. These cheeses will melt beautifully, creating that classic nacho pull. It's time to get these nachos perfectly crispy and cheesy. Place your baking sheet into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is completely melted and bubbly, and the edges of the chips are slightly golden. Once out of the oven, immediately garnish with fresh cilantro, finely diced red onion, and thinly sliced jalapenos for a burst of freshness and a little kick. Your incredible ground pork nachos are now ready to be devoured. Serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauces, such as cool sour cream, zesty salsa, or creamy guacamole. These nachos are perfect for a casual game day gathering, a fun family dinner, or even a quick and satisfying weeknight meal. They're truly a crowd pleaser. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.